Alright, so I'm doing this video to give you guys a rundown of the new upload schedule and to talk a little bit about Vegas. So, the first episode of Vegas is going to be premiering this Monday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then the second episode will be on Wednesday, and the third episode will be on Friday. And that Monday, Wednesday, Friday upload schedule is what I'm going to be sticking to. So, just want to let you guys know, so you don't miss out on a single episode of the Vegas series. And they're going to be uploaded around the same time as a premiere, so anywhere between like 5 and 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. That's when they'll be up. So I'm really pumped for you guys to see this, and I actually have a little sneak peek of one of the crazy things that happened to us in Vegas. So go ahead and play all that, and I will see you guys on Monday. So, wow, I did not see that coming. It's against the law to film any wildlife here in the state park. If we get caught by the rangers, apparently bad things happen. You have to have a permit, which we don't have time for that. So it looks like we're gonna have to figure out something to do until the sun starts to go down, and then that road before we hit here, when we got into the park, is like 15-20 mile stretch of road that looks prime for cruising, and they didn't say nothing about that. So I think that's what we're gonna do. So I know we're not supposed to do this, but he literally, this ram just walked up. I've never seen a ram before. What in the world? Just like it's nothing. Alright, so we are here in the middle of Valley of Fire, and there's a trail that we wanted to check out that shows petrified logs. And I figured we'd go ahead and show you guys that, because we're not filming any wildlife, but if there happens to be wildlife along the way, well, we can't really help that, because nature's going to do what it wants to do, right? So, just going to wing it and see what happens. I don't know. We got a lot of time to kill before it gets dark for the road to be able to be cruised, so might as well kill it here, check out some cool stuff. I mean, we're here, why not, right?